With summer on the horizon, ASICS is updating its lineup with lighter, more breathable options, led by the upcoming ASICS GEL-NYC Oatmeal and Bisque. This model, known for its blend of retro and modern design cues, arrives in a soft, neutral palette perfect for the season. The upper features a mix of creamy off-white mesh and suede overlays, highlighted by gentle peach bisque leather details, especially around the ASICS Tiger Stripe branding. While the colorway leans understated, subtle contrasts and touches of orange on the exposed gel cushioning at the heel inject a sense of energy. The breathable mesh upper enhances comfort and airflow, making the pair ideal for warmer weather. Stylish yet versatile, this colorway captures the easygoing vibe of summer. Although an official release date hasn't been announced, the ASICS GEL-NYC Oatmeal and Bisque is expected to drop soon on asics.com and at select retailers.